So hello dear friends and colleagues from around the world, my name is Dr. Uliana Gut and welcome to Lamb Clinic in the heart of Harley Street, London. Now on behalf of Skintellectuals, I'd like to give you a 5-minute review on the world of azelaic acid and the Skintellectuals formulation of azelaic acid 10%. So let's take a look at some of these slides. Now, many of you will be using azelaic acid, but let's just go back to basics. So what is azelaic acid? What is the Skintellectual azelaic acid? Well, it inhibits energy production and/or DNA synthesis in hyperactivated melanocytes. It's also a competitive inhibitor of tyrosinase, we know that. It's an antioxidant and it also has antimicrobial P. acnes effect as well as anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, there is a lot of data looking at azelaic acid. We all know that it is rich in evidence. Now, just to give you a couple of examples, because it's sometimes nice, azelaic acid demonstrated in studies with patients suffering from melasma, very high depigmenting effect. Comparable efficacy, I would say, to 2 to 4% hydroquinone in these studies. And the same efficacy as the classical triple combination therapy. Now, I really want us to focus on this slide for a moment, and this looks at the Skintellectual azelaic acid. The concentration of azelaic acid is 10% to reduce the adverse effects and to support good depigmenting effect. So, concentration of 10% demonstrated good efficacy. That's really important in depigmenting of the patients. Now, the other interesting thing about Skintellectual's azelaic acid 10% is it's indicated for so many issues with pigmentation. You can use it for all genders, age groups, skin types. Look at this, hyperpigmentation, mild to moderate melasma, it's very useful for. It can also be used for patients complaining with, for example, acne outbreaks because of its antibacterial effect on P. acnes. And of course, it's really great for oily skin treatment as well. Now, it's really important, there's a little caveat below on this slide, and it says, as all azelaic products, Skintellectual's azelaic acid can leave a whitish residue on the skin, which can be dissolved by following the application of any of the skincare products. You can use your, for example, Skintellectual's NMF after, and the white residue dissipates. Now, there might be a light burning sensation, a little bit of tingling or stinging, and that's normal, okay? And it's usually very temporary and doesn't require to stop the treatment. So just something to be aware of, and you can see the product on your right. Now, there are many other depigmenting agents that Skintellectuals offer for you.